Okay, here's some help with the review for the 5th 6 weeks test. Number 1 says one circle has a radius of 4 feet. The other circle has a radius of 9 feet. What is the approximate difference in the areas of the circles? First of all, if they're talking about shapes and they don't show them to you, you should draw them. The smaller circle has a radius of 4 feet. The larger circle is a radius of 9 feet. The word approximate tells me I can use pi is approximately equal to 3. And we're trying to find the difference in the areas, so I need the area formula for a circle. Area equals, looking at my tax math chart, pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. We're going to write that formula again with the numbers. Pi is 3, r is 4. The larger circle, pi is 3, r is 9. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So the area of the small circle is 3 times 16. 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. So the area of the larger circle is 3 times 81. 3 times 16 is 48. 3 times 81 is 243. And the difference would be 243 minus 48. 13 minus 8 is 5. Borrowing here, 13 minus 4 is 9. So 195. Units, feet squared. Remember, area is always squared. Just checking out my subtraction here. I'm going to add 48 to 195. 3, 1, 9, 13, 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 243. That's right. Okay. So 195 square feet would be the difference in the areas. If you used 3.14 for pi, you would have calculated a difference in areas of 204.1 feet squared. But since it said approximate, you could have used 3 for pi. Okay, number 2 asks us to find the perimeter of the isosceles trapezoid pictured below. Isosceles means these two sides are equal, and you could also tell that by that mark. So this side also equals 2.5 centimeters. And then perimeter means the distance around the figure. So we're just going to add up all the sides. We don't need the height. That's, if we're trying to find area, we need the height. That's extra information on this problem, because perimeter is a distance around the figure, which would be, starting here, 3.5 plus 2.5 plus 5.5 plus 2.5, and we're done. If I'm gonna add decimals, I'm gonna line up my decimals. 3.5, 2.5, 5.5, and 2.5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Carry the 2. I'm lining up a decimal in my answer also. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So 14.0 centimeters would be the perimeter of that isosceles trapezoid. Number 3 asks us, what three-dimensional figure does this net represent? Well, if you fold up this side and this side, and then you fold this side around, you're going to have a triangular base, one triangular base, and that figure is going to come to a point. So that would be a triangular pyramid. Pyramids have one base, prisms have two bases. Draw a net that could be used to make a cylinder. We need a big rectangle that we can fold around like a paper tube, and then we would need 2 circles to fold over to make the ends. There's your net to make a cylinder. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem 5 on the next video.